I want to dance, but my neck is ano, it doesn't want me to dance. Goodbye. We will keep in touch and follow up with you next year. Thank you. Goodbye, New Year. According to Muhammad. Okay, go Muhammad. Enjoy your New Year, Muhammad. Thank you so much, Muhammad. See you, see you tomorrow na because tomorrow is next year. No, now is next year. Happy New Year, Norms! Hello, Conor! Mega love shout out, Conor! Oh, ano yan? Ano yung nakaano? Mega love shout out and happy New Year! Ayan, Happy New Year to all of us, guys! Ayan, guys, nangangatin ako, guys, kasi I didn't take shower this morning, guys, because of my neck problem, guys. So, I'm feeling itching now. I want to take shower. Because the my neck now, guys, is has I don't know what happened. This is 3 days from this is 3 days or something, I can see I want to dance, I want to move, but I can't because it's hurting me. Oh my god, why do you let my neck don't let me to dance, guys? I want to do dance. I want, no, not dance, exercise for my healthy Bito! Hello, Bito. Hello, Migito. Miga shout. Yes, I know your neck. It's hurting. Yeah, your neck is hurting. And I believe you when you see your hurting. No, it's not. Yeah. Yeah, Metal Storm. Bito, good morning, my dear. According to Rodrigo. Rodrigo, good morning. Some rin si Rodrigo. Bito, thank you, Bito. Good morning and happy New Year to all of us, guys. Ayan, I'm sad that you are in pain according to Metal Storm. No, it's okay, Metal. So I can handle later. No, now for later. Before I sleep, I take a Panadol. I'm already, so I will not forget. Because I'm sure if I didn't take Panadol, I will wake up because of pain. Last time, 2 a.m. I woke up because it's painful. It's making like you feel like that. You experience like feeling like that. It's painful, really. You can't sleep. Yan. Happy New Year, my friend, according to Rodrigo. Thank you. How are you, my dear? According to Rodrigo. Good night, according to Bito. Ayan, good night, Bito. Thank you. Happy New Year. Sleep well, Bito. If you're going to sleep. God bless you, your family. Okay, according to Rodrigo. Beautiful day for you, there, according to Rodrigo. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you, guys. In 5 minutes, guys, I'm gonna end my live because I'm going to sleep also. Because the time now, it's 1:11 p.m. So late, guys, A hug from Brazil for you, a hug from Brazil for you, girl. Filipina, according to Rodrigo. Ayan, thank you, Rodrigo. What time is it now in Brazil? Rodrigo. I want to exercise, guys, but has problem with my... Thank you, guys. Ayan, sa ating Guys, double tap. Kindly double tap. Ali tap. Hug and kisses for you, Norms, according to Metal Storm. Ayan. Thank you. There's a lot of flowers and si Bito. Bito, thank you for the heart and the flowers. I have to go now, okay, Harry? I have to go now, Harry. Thank you for your kindness with me, my dear, according to Rodrigo. Okay, Rodrigo, thank you so much for coming. Ayan, bye, Rodrigo. Take care always and have a night. What time is it now? Have a nice day. Have a good night. And happy New Year. Metal Storm. Thank you, Metal Storm. Ayan. Mag-ano ako, guys.